Got a call from the neighbour. A tree's fallen on a car. I've got to go cut it out so the smash repairers can go pick it up. It's okay. Everyone's fine. It's just things that happen in the bush, eh?
Buckle.
His body fell out.
Oh, yeah.
It was already smashed. I finished the job.
It's fun. Yeah, I took photos. I thought, I don't know how to download or whatever, send them to them. But I was ringing this morning and spoke verbal. And I said I took a photo of the tree. It looked like it's still being rotted from the bottom. It's, I don't know. A bit windy here too yesterday, Harvey.
Yeah, it was a good breeze. That wouldn't help.
No. I really learnt the lesson. Don't park near trees in the fucking bush.
Absolutely. Well, they normally say box trees, but
That's
not swamp oaks.
no.
I'm going to roll it off. Where are you? I'm just about to roll this off, so just watch yourself.
Oh, yep. Beauty. That mirror's still fucking not getting off, is it? They must have glued it. Something's going on with it. Oh, yep.
Roll now.
That's just so kaput. Wow. Oh, fucking nightmare. I said, is the key in? And I said, I didn't take the key out from yesterday. Like, What would it do?
Oh, I cleaned it out, but I don't think it's coming back. He'll do what he wants.
Yeah.
I mean, he might move it down there, come in and turn around there.
Yeah.
I mean, it still dries. Bit of glass in your bum, I think.
Yeah, that's.
Wow.